Hello, hello, hello! I decided to make a video about my next project, so it's gonna be like shit. So my next project is this 1979 XLH 1000. We're gonna make a nice little chopper out of it. Let's get to it. Rusty tools. That's about as much dismantling I'm gonna do at the moment. So it's a skinny, nothing down there, so she's nice and tight. I might actually keep her really skinny with the narrow handlebars, so like a lane splitter chopper type of thing. But yeah, I'm gonna park her in a corner for a little while. I'll get to it a little bit later. Well, if you watched this and you lasted through the whole thing, then thank you for watching. And I'll